Mounted yung iba.
Mounted going.
Mounted, papunta sa'yo, southeast. Baka gusto
Come southeast, they dismounted, come southeast, they dismounted. Dismount on me. Spread, the rest of the DPS spread, kill the mobs around, kill the mobs around, kill the mobs around, kill the mobs around, kill the mobs around.
AOC.
Kill the mobs around, kill the mobs around. Yo, listen, second food, second food.
Kapalosi, yung iba.
Yo, listen, get ready ah, Pudge is there, okay? I marked Pudge already on the west side.
Engage ka dyan, Mort.
Party 1, be careful. Yo, some of the people start rapping, DPS, walk in slowly. Walk in, walk in, walk in. On me, look at the crown, on me, look at the crown on me.
Witch York bomb on Northwest. May Witch York dito sa akin.
West side.
Look at me, look at me, look at me. Spread around me. Go to the backline, careful south. Pudge looking inside. Ready def,
Alis ko
Pudge
muna,
looking
alis ko muna
inside, ready
dyan.
def.
Alis ko muna dyan.
Ready def, ready def, def. They just engage, Sheila Emilia.
Tara,
Sheila
inat na sa
Emilia.
likod.
Now walk in and brawl, walk in and brawl.
Sobrang low nito. Sobrang low
Walk in and
nito.
brawl, walk in and brawl, walk in and brawl, boys. Walk in and brawl, walk in and brawl.
Healing Judy.
Walk in and brawl. Careful backline.
Engaging,
Bomb
bomb.
engaging, bomb engaging. Heal up, Ryan, heal up, Ryan.
Punch.
Now walk in and brawl, just walk in and brawl, boys.
Sige,
Walk in and
engage.
brawl.
Pahit.
Walk in and brawl.
Dito.
Yo, CC this guy, CC this guy's here, CC this guy's here. Pudge looking, okay? Pudge looking, listen, Pudge gonna look soon, okay? Ready def, please, ready def. Def shallow. Heal up. Heal up. Walk in, they don't have engage. Walk in, they don't have engage.
Papasok sa Terry. Nice one.
Careful over the wall. Listen, mag-engage to bomb over the wall, okay? Careful over the wall, northwest. Careful over the northwest wall. Kill these guys on the west side here. Kill these guys. Hilakol. Good. Okay, listen. Come southwest side here of Terry. Careful on the northeast. Pudge looking. Careful. Record
Pasat
me.
kayo na, huwag kayong
Wala
mag-ala.
na ako.
Oy, hiwalay tayo ah. Yung iba sa baba. Ay, yung bomb pala yun.
Witch York bomb Northwest. Northwest.
Wala ito tayo, hindi tayo lalabas.
Careful, nerds. Come southwest. Down the chill.
East side meron.
Ay mga yan si Rex Day mo.
Bumaba
Come
kayo,
to
please.
me.
Bumaba
Come
kayo.
to me. Down the choke. Down the hill.
Wala rin kayo
Ano tong east
mapapatay
side
dyan.
ko? Ay, ano tong east side ko? Mabaliw ba to? Sige, come southwest. Wait lang. Si Pudge nasa north eh. Wait lang.
Over the wall
Sa
yan
sandwich
to eh.
tayo eh. Come south. Just walk south with me. Come south.
I-bite mo lang lakad.
Come south. I-bite ko lang. God damn.
bayot ka.
Careful over the wall northeast. Careful over the wall.
Take mount.
Careful over the wall. Ready? Putang ina, ayoko dyan. Come west side. Ayoko dyan.
Sige, square lang.
Tangin na. Ayoko dyan.
One up tayo dun ah.
Tara.
Kidnap if you can.
Balik-lik niya.
You listen. We can... Listen. Tanks, look at the north side. My whole brawlers, look at the east side. Look at the east side. Look at the east side. Run over the east side. Fuck the northwest side. Heal up. Wala tayong paki dyan sa north. I-run over nyo itong mga nasa east side na sa akin. Nag-engage sila. Listen, everyone. Walk. They don't have engage. Walk. They don't have engage. Just CC them.
Papasok lang. Bomb Northwest.
CC them here. Kaya ba natin patay si Pudge dito? Mga Galatins.
Wala na ako nilang gala.
Okay, come southwest. Come west. Come southwest. Huwag kayo dumikit sa Terry, please.
Huwag na nga dito tayo.
May isa
Huwag kayo dumikit sa Terry.
Bugi, may dilab sa likod natin, Bugi.
Yeah, I see it.
Heal.
Yo, help my backline. Help Emilia Rose. Come southwest.
I-bait niyo pa. Huwag na kayo dyan.
Come.
Mabas.
Walk. Just walk.
Yan.
Sino yan?
Mount up.
Bayot. Biyot.
Take mount up. Okay.
Just walk. Let them pass the choke. If they pass the choke, listen, I need some brawlers behind already to fuck them up.
Tsaka
Oh my god, they are passing.
Passing na ba?
Slowly, they're passing slowly the choke. Kill the mobs here.
Nasa choke pa rin.
Huwag yan.
Aladdin.
Hindi na lalabas tayo.
Kaya ba natin ikutan? Majority mga DPS ko sa likod.
Hindi malayo na rin. Ay, gago na pop ko.
Ilan party to sa ilan party to DPS ko?
Sila pan, ano ulit?
Ay, pabalik sila tayo.
Bumabalik lang.
Hindi nga yan,
Takas
Tay.
kayo.
Kailangan mo talagang...
Tatlo lang sa party to.
Nakita yata yung nagra-rap around eh.
Oo, may tao.
Ilayo mo talaga. Hindi tayo maano yan.
Come sa
Road
Tayo
top
magpapatay, bro tayo.
Top ba? Solo ba?
Sa road top.
Road top.
Saan?
Saan?
Sa andito lang sa
Ibang Zergel.
Ibang guild.
east side
Gano'n
na.
naka solo bomb na.
Sige, takbo pa kayo.
Naka bridal.
Tayo.
Dito si Pad siya, nakasunod ah.
Kill the mobs here. Yo, some of the DPS, make sure you guys are
Solo bomb to.
far spread around.
Solo bomb ba?
Some of the DPS mount up.
Nakasolo ba?
Some of the DPS mount up.
Tangina pag namatay kayo dyan.
Okay, listen. This is good enough, ha? Get ready, to just... They're gonna try to kite northeast choke. We make sure they don't kite northeast choke. Listen, brawlers, everybody. Tanks, start walking in.
Mugi ka, bomb, south east ba?
DPS, start crawling in. DPS, start dismounting behind them. They're trying to kite. Wag nyo pakitin si Pudge.
Pag
Come
nag-engage,
northeast, come
dismount kayo
northeast.
lahat, ha?
Go to the backline, go to the backline, boys. DPS,
Sabihin mo,
wait,
pag
come to me.
nag-dismount,
They're going west side, they're going west side. Come. They're going west side. Full brawl now, west side now. They fucking went deep, Can we push them?
Nag-engage si Pudge. Patay.
Can we push them? Here, on me. Can we kill this guys here? Kill this guys here. Brawl on me, around the crowd. They're walking back northeast. Can we brawl them? Can we brawl them here? I'm dropping a Judy, Just brawl them here, okay? Brawl.
Bomb notice.
Careful, okay? Listen, Pudge is gonna have an engage soon. If you don't have defensive, get out of him. Bomb coming in. Bomb. Oh, Pudge looking. Def. Stop clumping, retard. Stop fucking clumping.
Oh my god.
Can you guys stay away from the fucking skull, man? What's wrong with you guys? Just brawl around, please. Can you guys
Low
get away
to.
from
Patay
Pudge?
nyo to. Si Miggy
Listen,
Moto.
I'm on top of Pudge, okay? I'm just on top of Pudge here. Okay, I'm on top of Pudge. Listen, be careful. Ready defenses, okay? Pudge is low. Pudge is fucking dying. He's engaging. They misengage. Now walk in and brawl. They don't have engage.
Judy si Chok.
Ay, bomb squad, may bomb squad.
Yo, I'm dropping Judy on me, Soyami. Huwag ka tumakbo. Heal Soyami on me. Heal on me. Okay,
Stay ka lang sa
listen.
Judy. Stay ka lang
They
sa
on the choke. Just brawl them on the north side.
Big stun ah.
They on the northwest side, boys. They on the northwest side, okay? Careful, okay? Listen. Tank, watch Pudge already. Tank, watch Pudge. He's looking east. They're about to engage. Potion. Def. Heal. Now brawl now. Brawl these guys here on top of me.
Madami sa
On top of
inside,
me,
madami
guys.
sa inside.
On top of me, guys. On top of
Bomb
me.
yung east side. Bomb
On top of me, ang dami low. Nice. Sundutin nyo. Ang dami low sa north side. They're coming north side. They're trying to kite back to Terry. Can we fucking brawl these guys here? Push the choke here. Listen, can we hold them here? Def. Ready, okay? Ready, Def now.
Naka-silence.
Now, walk in and brawl deep northeast side.
Big stun.
They're all here on the choke. Can we kill them all here on the choke here? Nice. Now keep walking in. Keep brawling them. Keep brawling. Don't let anyone escape.
6-3 dito
Punch
sa
dead.
akin.
Punch dead. Listen, they're kiting. They're running. Catch them all east side. They're all running.
Best day nasa North.
Catch them all.
Yun naman yan.
Oy, pa-heal na itong North. Hello, wala tayong healer dito.
Kaya na to.
Hawak ko.
Rapport, alam mo na.
Uy, nasa terrain na sila.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Terinin.
Meron dito sa akin.
Come back. Habulin nyo na lang yung mga nandyan pa.
Meron pa si rest day.
Ang laki ng fame ng party 2.
Oy!
Balik na.
May bisa ko.
Slowly the rest day, please! Huwag nyo matakasin!
2x!
Huwag nyo patakasin yan.
Nice!
Sige nyo. Yan.
Wala nang-
Nice
wala
game.
nang patsyan.
Yo, full engage tayo. Patayin natin. Huwag nyo matakasin. Yan, huwag nyo patakasin.
Nahil to yun.
Sige. Hindi. Ready ha? I-clap nyo lahat.
Uy, patay kayo, gago.
Hindi, wala akong pakit dyan sa north side. Sige.
Tara na.
Tayo rest day.
Dance check niya ako sa local. Ibig.
Pamahina daw nag-message sa akin, no?
Wait, check nyo yung mga loot.
Come back. Yo, just loot up.
looter.
Come to me. Hold northwest.
Nakalap yung bomb natin.
Okay lang, nagkamali sila doon sa wall.
Again, guys, if you see the skull near you, just get away. With the clap engage, we're brawling. As long as you stay away from the, you're not gonna get out-brawled by fucking clap DPS, man. Come northwest.